In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Meshy AI uploads. Keeping your Meshy AI workspace tidy makes it faster to find the models you actually need, reduces clutter, and keeps your projects organized. We'll walk through the exact path to remove old or unused uploads, and I'll share a few helpful pointers so you can do it confidently and efficiently. First, open your browser and head to the Meshy AI website, then log in. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that holds the assets you want to manage. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface where you can access everything related to your projects. Next, click on Workspace. This is your hub for project level controls and content. Think of it as the command center where folders, scenes, and asset libraries live. Opening Workspace ensures you're operating in the right context before you make any changes. Inside Workspace, click on Assets. This tab displays your uploaded models and related files in one place. Take a moment to scan the list so you're oriented. You can visually identify items by their thumbnails and names, which makes it easier to confirm you're targeting the correct upload. If you manage a lot of models, focus on the ones you no longer use or duplicates that slipped in during earlier iterations. Now find the specific model or upload you want to remove. Hover over that item and look for the three-dot menu, sometimes shown as a settings icon. Click it and then choose Delete. Before you click, pause for a quick double check. Verify the name and preview so you don't remove something active in another scene or workflow. Deleting is meant for items you're certain you won't need again. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Delete to finalize. This step is important. Meshy AI asks you to confirm so you don't accidentally remove the wrong file. Once you confirm, the item will disappear from your assets list and your library will be a little cleaner. If you don't immediately see the change, give the page a moment to refresh. That's all there is to it. Log into Meshy AI, go to Workspace, open Assets, select the item's three-dot menu, choose Delete, and confirm. Keep repeating these actions for any other uploads you want to remove. Periodic cleanups like this help your workspace stay lean and efficient, making collaboration smoother and keeping your creative flow uninterrupted. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized Meshy AI library.